Hey guys, it's Sophia from Simply Chinese Eats. If you love mapo tofu or kung pao chicken, you'll adore this dish. This dish tastes like fish, but there's no fish in it. Today, I'm showing you how to make Yu Xiang Eggplant, a Sichuan classic that's sweet, spicy, and ridiculously addictive. First, the golden ratio sauce. In a bowl, combine a third tablespoon salt, a third tablespoon MSG optional, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, a third tablespoon dark soy for color, 1 tablespoon black vinegar, and some water starch. Whisk until the sugar dissolves completely. Cut the eggplant into large pieces first, then peel and slice it into strips. Cut the green onion into small pieces. Let's take a look at the ingredients needed. First, our main ingredient, eggplant. Then, the key element, our pre-mixed signature sauce. Pickled chili, which can be substituted with Mexican chili. 2 garlic cloves. 1 piece of ginger. A few green onions. And 1 tablespoon of pixie and doubanjiang. Cut the garlic into small pieces. Cut the ginger into small pieces. And chop the pickled chili into small pieces before mincing it. Coat eggplant evenly with cornstarch. This creates a crispy barrier. Fry at medium-high until golden. Remove and set aside. Add a little oil to the pan, then add the pickled chili, doubanjiang, minced ginger, and minced garlic. Stir fry until fragrant and the red oil is released. Pour in half a bowl of water, add the fried eggplant, and pour in the prepared sauce. Stir fry to let the flavors absorb, then add the green onion. Stir well, and it's ready to serve. Serve it on a warm plate. That sticky sauce should still be bubbling slightly. Perfect with jasmine rice. This fish fragrance sauce works wonders with tofu or mushrooms too. Try it and don't forget to subscribe for more bold and simple Chinese recipes. See you in the next one.